What's going on, party people? Esoteric Rider here. Got my new visor, my new helmet, and you cannot see a damn thing coming in, but I can see a whole hell of a lot going out. This is the GoPro Hero 8. This is going to be a little test ride. I'm on my 2001 Honda Shadow Ace with my giant squid microphone. I probably should have grabbed earplugs because Jesus Christ, I can hear every last little ounce of this bike. You may be wondering what pipes are on my bike, and I can for sure tell you that this is homemade. These are straight piped. Yeah, that sounds good. Hopefully you guys aren't getting a lot of wind. I'm just gonna go for a ride around the block just to see what's happening. Now I'm gonna go this way. Okay, so I'm gonna get up to high speeds here, and hopefully the wind isn't too overbearing, especially when going downhill. You should hear a little bit of wind, probably. That's what I hear actually inside of my helmet, is just a little bit of wind. I don't remember if I actually have my windscreens open or my holes, which I'm not one for holes, especially on me. I don't know about you, I don't really go like that. Probably cancel out my turn signal. Alright, I'm just gonna cruise in third and see what's happening. This is the route I always take whenever I test something. I actually worked on the carburetor a little bit, and how Honda actually sends these out, according to the urban legend, is that they actually send them out with a little bit of backfire, and you gotta actually go in and test out the... What's up, dudes? You gotta actually tinker with the carburetor. With some Honda Shadow models, I got a 2001 Ace and a VT750, and you gotta actually take out the dwell plug on some models, and you gotta adjust the air and fuel mixture. Then it eliminates all that backfire. So that's actually what I did with this one. I watched a short little video. The motorcycle mechanic guy, person, whatever we're gonna call him, actually gave it a little more gas and air. The problem with his bike is that it was just really sluggish model and just didn't run right at all. And man, everybody's got their bikes out today. Sweet. But it's a super common thing where it's just like, you know, everybody has the backfire on their Aces, and you gotta punch out the dwell plugs and tinker with the jets and all that, and the idle screws. And luckily that wasn't the case for me. I didn't have any dwell plugs. I don't know if this was just modified or tinkered with beforehand before I got this. I think I'm the third owner of this motorcycle for being an 01. Everybody's out. I probably should have drank water because holy hell am I thirsty. But this is going to be a short ride anyway. This is just so I know what settings I need to tinker with. I tell you what, I fixed up the carburetor. I don't have any backfire, and I'm actually... This is picking up a hell of a lot better speed, I'll tell you that. I'm going... pick up the speed a little bit. Yeah, I'm probably getting a lot of wind. I can feel it on my chin, but I've got the microphone up pretty high, so we should be okay. Yeah, this bike is handling a lot better now that I actually adjusted the carb. So I'm damn glad I did that. Everybody says that tachometer looks goofy, but I'm like, nope, I'm just going to use that to read numbers, and that's exactly what I did. That's how I knew what my factory idle was and where I needed to tune it. I didn't have to go out and get a bunch of extra tools and all that, and I was pretty happy about that. Plus, I've always liked the look of the tachometer, like right in the middle, and I don't know about you guys, like the speedometer or the tach always looks good. I got that one from Dime City Cycles. I did a product review of it, but the video just came out and just was like the worst presentation ever. Like I kept stuttering and all that. I'm like, I've been making YouTube videos for 10 years. You'd think I'd be over that by now, but apparently not. But hopefully, I'll cancel my turn signal. But hopefully, the giant squid mic and all this jazz actually has a halfway decent angle, and there's not too much wind, so I'm hoping everything's working out, which is pretty promising. I'm gonna have a little bit of wind. At least that's what it feels like. I got a pretty open chin. Not the front of my chin, more like the bottom. Nah, I'm not gonna do it. Gotta worry about this corner here. You will get your ass rear-ended, I'll tell you what. Oh yeah, there would have been a hell of a ton of backfire right there. I am no motorcycle mechanic by any means, but I think I've got her absolutely perfect. She's warmed up and all that, and especially with straight piping the exhaust. Okay, I got a little bit of backfire right there, but definitely not as much. It'd be 2 times as loud. But yeah, still got a little bit of backfire still. She's handling a lot better though, I'll give her that. But okay, that's the end of this test video.